Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make whipped cream. First, gather your essential ingredients. 1 cup of very cold heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Chilling your mixing bowl and whisk for at least 15 minutes beforehand is a crucial step for achieving the perfect fluffy texture. This simple preparation ensures your cream whips up beautifully every time. Now, pour the very cold heavy cream into your chilled bowl. Add the 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and the 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Start whipping on a low speed to gently combine everything and avoid any splattering. After about 30 seconds, gradually increase the mixer speed to medium-high. You will notice the cream beginning to thicken and incorporate air, preparing for those delightful peaks. Continue whipping the cream on medium-high speed. Keep a close eye on the consistency. You are looking for soft peaks that hold their shape, then progressing to medium or stiff peaks. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes in total. Be careful not to overwhip, as this can quickly turn your beautiful cream into a grainy, butter-like texture. Stop as soon as it reaches your desired firmness. Your homemade whipped cream is now ready to enjoy. For the best taste and texture, serve it immediately with your favorite desserts, fruits, or hot drinks. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will stay fresh and delicious for about 2 to 3 days. This simple, fresh topping elevates almost any sweet treat, making it truly special.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.